you?
I am good.
So what we are making today?
Gigi.
Ganesh ji. And we are making Ganesh ji through
Leaf.
money plant
Money
leaves. So
Money
let's
plant
start making it.
leaves.
Okay. So apply glue on one leaf. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes, Priyank, paste it. Yes, paste it. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now apply glue on other leaf. Yes, start pasting it. Yes, yes, just press it. Leave it. Yes. Now press it. Very good. Now we have to make ears.
Yes.
Yes, paste the another ear. Yes, yes. Very good. Press it. Very good. Now make hands. Yes. Paste it. Very good. Now we have to make foot. Yes, Priyank, show me your Ganesh ji.
My beauty and lady.
Very good. So beautiful. So Priyank, you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.